Hi, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much for joining me. Firmware 1.70. I'm with a microphone, as you can see right here, and it's the Wireless Go. So I hope the sound is to your liking, that it gives an awesome improvement. I got the dBs low. I don't need it really that loud because I don't want to have all that sound around me to be picked up like traffic noise. Let me head into the sun, so the sun is hitting me rather being into the camera. I hope that's a better shot. So how's the sound? How do you like it? Should I change over to a little less expensive microphone that maybe you could enjoy? Can you hear that airplane that's up ahead in the sky? This is a Ceremonic XR XM1 microphone. Let's give that a shot, see what it sounds like. The wind is kicking up right now, and it's hitting me, as you can hear it. Gentleman and a lady towards my shoulder, towards the back. A motorcycle that you're not even going to hear. It's very faint, and the traffic noise. I feel that the Ceremonic XR XM1 microphone on the right angle, facing me, doing a good job. Now I know that the wind noise reduction is disabled. Why do we have that? Do we have any control of the settings for the camera? I haven't looked at it yet. I am going to go inspect it now and see if there's any sound decibels that I could gain, raise it up or lower it down, and see if I can go from there. I haven't noticed any sound adjustments, but let me turn this around and get some action with the camera. That's a squirrel. See how close we can get with 6 feet away? There he goes. So the camera microphone is facing away from me, and I'll turn it around, see if you can hear any noise. Oh, where is that siren, man? There he goes, right there. Out of nowhere, in a rush to go. There's the squirrel on the tree. Very sensitive. That's a good test if you ask me. That's the Ceremonic microphone. That's a right angle, which doesn't come with it. Remember the days of Arrow, Radio Shack? Today you go online and you find these particular parts on eBay, Amazon, or any aftermarket stores. I'm happy using my Wireless Go right now. I'm going to raise it up, bring it up a decibel to the medium sounds. It is windy, and that's why I got a little mic muff on it. Not all can afford a $200 microphone, and the question you have to ask, is it really worth getting with a $40 CYNOVA 3.5 millimeter adapter that everybody out there argue that it's either works or don't work. It's loose, it's not the greatest sound, and yeah, we all know who he is. He's a good person, but I'm not a professional. I don't claim to be a professional, just your average Joe sharing the fun with you. And I hope my video tests are to your liking. I don't want to make this a long, tedious review, but there goes my sound. I hope the sound was to your liking, and I will end it with the decibels of the road at high. I got a helicopter that's going like this in the background. You're not going to see it. I got some traffic noise in front of me that this really may pick up. Anyway, in the secret life of Action Cam, DJI Osmo Action 4K, 48 frames per second. Everything's on auto. D-Warp is on. That's the linear mode. Rocksteady is on. And it does a lot of cropping. Now, I use each and every action camera a little differently than others. I just use it as is. I don't care about GPS and live streaming and all that good stuff. Is it worth getting it? Along with the PGY Tech stick, kind of shakes. And that's what you were seeing there, a little shake, if you're able to see that little teeter-totter. I'm happy. Are you happy? On that note, I want to say thank you very much for joining me. And you all have a great day. I'll see you on the next episodes to come. Have a great one, everybody. Show that love. Hit the subscribe. Make a comment. Catch you all in the next video. Very interesting statue. Plantation Juniors Women's Club dedicated to their bringing love and joy to the children of our community since 1960. I like sharing videos to one and all, and I could simply give a nice yell and this atmosphere, this ambient sound that you hear. There has to be some type of action in the distance that you may not hear the helicopter. And I don't have to yell to make my point across. But I don't know if there's going to be a raise in decibel. With the DJI Osmo Action Camera, it's a mono channel left, mono channel right. No, it's a mono channel that basically just gives the same sound to make it sound like stereo. So there won't be a left side and a right side, what I found out when I first purchased my camera. I'm not upset with it. Does its job, gets the point across. Now with the laptops I own and the video resolution and the sound, it all depends on how you're watching. It is what it is, and you can't worry about things like that. So if you just got standard equipment and the depth of view may not be there. It may not be worth your time if that's the machines you got. I got a decent laptop that's HD 1080p. Why do 4K? I don't know. But I shared to the world that people do have a 4K video set that they watch these videos. It's helpful, right? So on that note, I'll see you all in the next videos to come. Have a great day. See you all later. Armstrong Liberty Tree Park, home of the PJWC's Art in the Park. They're going to be decorating soon for Christmas, I hope. That ends my review for today. It's just a running with the food. Yeah. And there they go.